Hi everybody and welcome back to COMC Tutorials. We are proud to announce our latest partnership with CSG and CGC Grading. COMC is excited to bring a simplified grading experience to our customers. Let's get started. From your COMC dashboard, let's head to your Inventory Manager. Once you're on your Inventory Manager page, find a card you're looking to grade. Now that you've found one you'd like to grade, click Actions and select Submit for Grading. This will take you directly to the grading service page. One great feature when using the COMC grading service is the automatic filtering. COMC will automatically filter the grading service available for each card. CSG for sports cards, like shown here, and CGC for Marvel, Pokemon, Star Wars, and other gaming cards. Now select CGC. Once you have selected your grading service, specify the declared value. Continue on the next page to see available grading tiers. Please note that with COMC automatic filtering, some submission levels will not be available depending on your stated value or submission type. Our system will automatically remove tiers if your submission meets certain maximum value thresholds. For example, if you submit an item you value at $550, only Standard, Express, and Walkthrough will be available to you. Select your desired option, review the terms and conditions, and submit your cards for grading with your store credit. Success! Your card is now scheduled to be submitted for grading with CGC. Once your card is submitted for grading, you can check on your submission at any time. Navigate to the Grading Submissions option under the Buyer menu. Here you will see your card with details including the service level, price, and date submitted. Once your item is graded, you will see your grading results on this page with before and after pictures. This will include front and back high-resolution photos of your card. Thanks for taking some time to learn about COMC's latest partnership with CSG and CGC Grading. We hope you get your first submission started today.